Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you on how to sketch using a simple technique in 1 point perspective. Okay, first of all, you need to know you have to start with 1 point, one line, what we call is horizon line. This is horizon line. So if you want to draw 1 point perspective, the first step that you need to do is to draw a line that we call horizon line. Then we continue to add up a vanishing point. Normally, if we want to set a vanishing point, we take one third of the size of these drawings. So I state there this is our vanishing point. Then we continue with what do you want to draw? A wall. So you have to set the height of the wall. That is the height of the wall. How do you know what is the height of the wall? It's very simple. Draw a human figure somewhere there with a size of 1.5 meter high. So that means if you refer to this object, this human figure, so the size of the wall is 1.5 plus another 1.5, more or less 3 meter high of that wall. And then you project the line from the vanishing point. Then you have the freestanding wall with a height of 3 meter, and we assume from here to here is more or less 2 meter. So the width of the wall is 2 meter. Then I decided to draw a pathway with a width of 3 meter. So we know that from here is 1.5, then we add another 1.5 there, another 1.5 there, then we have the 3 meter pathway. So then we continue with the pathway, and then I decided to draw an arch somewhere there with a height of 4.5. So we know that from here to here is 1.5, then we add another 1.5, then we add another 1.5, then we have 4.5 height of the arch that we are going to draw. So that is the arch, the opening of the arch, and then we continue that. Then you have the arch. Project the line there, then bring that down, then you have the opening of the arch. And then you just create the wall of that arch, and then there you are. There is your arch. Okay, somewhere there I'm going to draw a shrubs. So you just create a shrubs there. So what is the height of the shrub? You know that from here to here is 1.5, so that is 1.5. So the height of the shrub is more or less 1.5. If I draw another human figure there, so that is 1.5 human figure, because the eye is strongly related to this horizon line. Then we continue another human figure there, that will be 1.5 human figure. So another human figure there, that was also 1.5 from the ground level. Then you can decorate your wall with your creativity, create whatever that you like. I would like to have this freestanding wall like that, got a small opening in between, so that will be something like that. Then to make it more interesting, just put render on that, and then you can see the wall being transformed into 3 freestanding columns. So that is the wall with the 3 column with 3 freestanding column. And then you may add this one. I would like to have a freestanding wall somewhere there. So that is freestanding wall with a height of, this is human figure with a height of 1.5 meter. And then I'm going to introduce another wall there. So that will be the hilly area, slopes somewhere there. So here I would like to introduce shrubs, because this is another level. So you have boulders there. So you continue create shrubs. It's just a sketch. You don't have to worry much about the what types of plants that you are using, species. If you really wants to have detailed part of that, you may refer to plant dictionary and then just copy the whatever plant material that you're going to use. So that will be the boulders. I'm going to introduce the boulders there. So I'm going to have a big pot there. So that is another types of shrubs, a type of palm. So that. Then of course there's a way there. There's a small street somewhere there. So that is the wall. You can decorate whatever types of wall that you like. Yeah, it is up to you. Maybe you want to introduce some stone there, then you can do that if you want to do that. So there'll be there, continue. So now this is the 3-meter street. So then you can introduce grass. So that is the grass. So then continue. See how simple when we can understand how simple we can do a simple how simple the process if we understood the technique, if you can understood the technique very well. So then continue. I would like to introduce some species there. Maybe if you want to have bigger trees, then you can continue create the trees down over there. So that is a tree. That's why we call this is just a sketch. Don't worry much about the detail of that tree. You may refer to plant dictionary or plant related to books that related to plants. Then you just copy from that if you want to have a specific tree somewhere there. So I'm going to introduce another wall there. So that is another wall representing a building maybe. So that is the building, simple building. So that one. So continue. So that is your 1 point perspective. And continue with that. So you may introduce simple boulders located somewhere there with shadow, shade and shadow. And then you may decorate these slopes, introduce some species somewhere there to get more interesting, to get this setting more interesting. Just add whatever that you think appropriate for the space. Then maybe you want to introduce a freestanding wall, freestanding column that is located somewhere there. It's just a decorations to the space. It goes like that, or it goes like that. So it is up to you. You have to use your own creativity to set it right. So there's another. Okay, put some rendering there. There's an so then we finish with a simple sketch. 1 point perspective. In how many minutes? 11 minutes. So keep on trying. I'm very sure you'll reach your destination. Do practice every day. You'll find interesting if you really master the process. Then you can draw whatever that you like to draw. The most important thing is you need to keep on practicing the idea. And then the most important thing is your techniques must be correct, and then you know how to use the right technique with the right right process, and you will see the outcome of the process of the technique will be make you very happy with the outcome. Oh, sorry, not outcome, the output. So that is the output of 12-minute sketch. Hopefully you also can do this. Keep on trying and trying. I'm very sure you'll find your way how to create 1 point perspective. Okay, good luck. Thank you.